Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Professor NFT here. So before I get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. Crazy day in the Solana space today. First off, two big rugs happened. First one was Senshi Samurai. They ended up rugging it again. So this has been rugged twice already. Actually bought in at 1.5, thinking it'll probably derug again, but I came to my senses and I said, you know what? It was hard the first time. The second time, it's going to be really hard. And they actually closed off their Discord, deleted their Twitter. So I just sold mine as well. I sold it for actually 1.9, the floor price it is right now. I don't see it going up anymore. I think this project's dead, RIP. So the next project that rugged today as well was PX Wizards. If this goes more down, you guys, if this goes to like 0.04, I'll probably just buy one just for the heck of it. I mean, it won't really affect my wallet that much, but they deleted their Discord as well. But you never know, it could probably derug, but I doubt it. The activity is not really there. As you see, last one was about 2 hours ago, and that was 0.03. I would have bought that too, you know. But yeah, crazy day. So let's go ahead and show you the upcoming mints I got for you guys. So first one is Cyber Villains. You see their Twitter here. They're at 7.8K followers. So one thing I really like about this project is the community. The chat goes crazy in this project. So now let's take a look here at the project. We see quantity is 1,000, price is 1 SOL. So this looks good to me. Low quantity and a reasonable price, to be honest, 1 SOL. So let's check the roadmap here. So right now we all know we are in the staking meta. So of course they're coming out with staking, but the first thing in their mind is to bring the following and the community, since that is the core of every project, and they're pulling it off as you see here in the chat. They even have a slow chat because the chat goes crazy. I'm telling you, this goes crazy. So they actually, so a few days after the mint, they're gonna start listing 1 out of 1 legendaries for bidding 1 per 7 to 10 days. And then breeding with a duel will be their main focus after the mint. If you check their tokenomics here, you know that the broccoli represents the core of Savage Solin, and as a Savage Solin grows, more utility will be added. With that being said, Cyber Villains breeding depends on it. So what do you need to do to earn that 10 broccoli a day? Nothing, pretty much. You're going to earn that till 1.1 2027. All you have to do is pretty much the list, you guys. So one Cyber Villains will be able to yield 300 broccoli in that period. So here's some more info on that, and then some more info on their utility as well. What could you use their broccoli for? Since it represents a core of Savage Solan, as a Savage Solan grows, more utility will be added. With that being said, the breeding depends on it. So you'll be able to breed it. Eventually, they're going to come out with a Gen 2. You're going to be able to breed that as well by burning 900 broccoli. Then they show here their future goals. They want to come out with some merch. They want to come out with DAOs, game development, and of course, the metaverse. So we'll see if the team could deliver here. Again, this comes out February 22 at 9 p.m. UTC. Go ahead, join the Discord. I'm not sure if the whitelist is filled yet. Maybe it isn't. Go give it a try, you guys. But I'm telling you, this chat goes crazy. I don't think it is filled yet. And this is actually how you get whitelisted. You stay active, engaged, and helpful for a chance to be nominated as a supervillain for the whitelist. So like I said, go ahead and check it out, you guys. So another project I got for you guys, of course, is Devil's Game. This is a risky play, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am actually whitelisted in this project. Their mint price, I am probably gonna mint this project just because of that mint price is at 0.66 and their supply is at 666 as well. Let me open up their website here and show you more of this project. So Devil's Game, speak of the devils. About Us, a collection of 666 souls. The only way to get access is to obtain a soul through whitelist. So this is actually a whitelist only project. The roadmap here, Souls Unleashed, the DAO opens, staking of, like I told you guys earlier, we are in a staking meta. This is what a lot of projects are coming out with. Airdrops and royalties and true passive income. Then you get 4 staking roles: Anger Soul, Red Soul, Dark Soul, and Gray Soul. So you see they're all different. One's uncommon, ultra rare, and rare. And then we see the funding allocation here. And we see 25% of it goes to staking and an LP, and then the team. So their game system is special because they want to be heavily incentivized staking with a twist. So it's vital to build a set of souls that can help you win the devil game. So you guys go ahead, check them out. I'm not sure if you can get whitelisted, but just check that secondary action, you guys. You know, like I said, it's cool. But that's all for me, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I'll be posting more content, and join that Discord. I haven't seen many projects recently, so I haven't been posting much on Discord. Just some alpha calls here and there, but go ahead and check it out, you guys. It's free. Try it out and let me know what you think. So I'm out. Peace.